is my passion. And this whole traveling series is all about living up to your passion and not letting circumstances pull you down. During this lockdown, we were all stuck at home, unable to move out, unable to travel. So instead of moping about it, I decided to revisit the places which I had visited a couple of years in the past. And I took out photographs which I had clicked myself and decided to make paintings based on those. This is what Travel Inks is all about, travel plus inks. So I have made all these as watercolor paintings, and it is the message what I'm trying to give across is that we can get out of circumstances and not let circumstances put us down. So I've made about 120 watercolor paintings which are there on display, and hope you'll all enjoy that. And maybe because these circumstances are still so bad, maybe now I'll have to go back a couple of years more in the past now and make drawings on that.
Hello, myself Bhavika Magnani. I'm a budding fine artist from Mumbai. I completed my graduation in fine arts from Rachna Sansad Academy of Fine Arts and Craft. I've been pursuing art since more than 4 years now, and I love painting. I believe art has the potential to heal and change mindsets. I believe I want to spread more of love and happiness through my paintings. My painting depicts, a way where people can imagine things and they can feel the state of being into bliss. So I try to paint more of elephants in the state of ananda, and my show is upcoming. My show is ongoing at Jahangir Art Gallery from 23rd Feb to 1st of March. Please do visit and grace the show with your presence. Thank you. Hello, I'm Bhavika Magnani, founder and leading artist of Kalakar Art Studio. I'm a budding artist from Mumbai and have been pursuing art since more than 4 years now. I believe art has the potential to heal minds and souls, change mindset, and even the modest novice can enjoy art. My work is an improvisation fusion of Indian art and bright colors in an illustrative way to depict love and happiness. My ongoing show, Trunks in Tranquility, is at Jahangir Art Gallery from 23rd Feb to 1st of March. Please do visit and grace the show with your presence. Thank you so much.
Acha, my name is Jayshree Savani, and I have a solo show from today, that is 23rd February to 1st March in Jahangir Gallery 2. The title of the show is Soulful Symphony. By Soulful Symphony, why I conceived this idea was I feel in this universe everything is set, preset. There is nothing which we can do about it. Only thing is we have to be happy in this journey. So let us be a part of this symphony. The music, each action of ours plays, let it be in proper rhythm that the universe has made us for. So every living being or every atom molecule is energy for me. And whatever we do will have a reverberance, will have its echo in this universe. So through my abstract, I have tried to display or exhibit or showcase my inner feeling of that inner voice I want to be heard and felt. Abstraction is a way of introspection for me. मैं जब भी रोज़ देखती हूँ मुझे रोज़ नया मिलता है. The one that I see is a reflection of me at that moment of time. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं सत्येंद्र राणे. मैं इस सहयोग कंटेम्प्रेरी आर्ट शो का मैं क्यूरेटर और आर्टिस्ट भी हूँ, और ये हर साल हम लोग ये शो ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. ये साल हमारा 5वां साल है. लॉकडाउन के बाद ये हमारा फर्स्ट शो जहांगीर में ऑडिटोरियम हॉल में हो रहा है, और ये शो जो है हर साल नए आर्टिस्टों को प्रमोशन करने के लिए और एक प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करने के लिए बनाया गया है. इस प्लेटफॉर्म के ज़रिए नए नए आर्टिस्टों के नए नए काम देखने मिलते हैं जो हमें अदर गैलरीज में बहुत कम दिखाई देते एक साथ में, जो हमारे सहयोग के माध्यम से लोगों को दिखाया जाता है. और इस शो में जो भी सेल होता है उसका पार्ट ऑफ प्रोसीड हम लोग कैंसर फाउंडेशन को हम लोग दिए जाते हैं. और इस हम चाहते हैं कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से जो नए आर्टिस्ट हैं, जो उभरते आर्टिस्ट हैं, उनको भी इस्टेब्लिश आर्टिस्ट के साथ एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जाए, उनके साथ एक शो करने का मौका दिया जाए। उसके दौरान ये शो हम लोग हर साल मनाया जाता है फरवरी में, और ऐसे ही सहयोग जो है काफ़ी लोगों का मिलता है, और काफ़ी संयोजक भी हमारे हैं, जो नवीन भाई, एक मिनट, नवीन चंद्र दोषी, उनका हमें सपोर्ट मिला है इस शो के लिए, जो हमारे आयोजक हैं, और मैं इसके लिए उसका धन्यवाद करता हूँ। और मैं चाहता हूँ आर्टिस्ट ऐसे ही ये शो देखने आए, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन के बाद मैं चाहता हूँ ये शो के माध्यम से कि अगर ये शो सक्सेस होता है तो लोग आर्टिस्टों में थोड़ा सा उत्साह बढ़ जाएगा और एक पॉजिटिविटी फैल जाएगी। इसके लिए मैं चाहूँगा ये शो का सब लोग ज़रूर अवश्य इसका लाभ लें। ओके, थैंक यू, नमस्ते।